Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be checking out another demo. This time it's Ignitement. So it's a fairy roguelike. Basically we just burn everything in hell. Okay, first let's check the settings, language settings. It's only English and Dutch. Dutch. Level up style open, auto open, manual open. Graphics settings. You only have brightness and full screen. Sound as usual. I mute the music. I don't know if it's YouTube safe, but let's start. The game actually prompted me to use a controller. I don't know if this game works without a controller. Okay, it works with mouse and keyboard. Let's just use a controller for now. Press F11 to send feedback. I guess this is the tutorial. Teach you how to move. I guess this is the hub. Candles. Lock in the demo. We can't use candles, I guess. It's also luck. Shrine of Sacrifice. Also luck in the demo. Is there anything here that is not luck? Oh, I see. What about mouse and keyboard? What's the control? I think I'm gonna use mouse and keyboard. This game has a really good particle system. How does the dash work? Look at the smoke particles and the fire particles. Okay, increase attack speed, emit explosion at the end of your dash, bombs. You know what? I like bombs. I don't know how the bombs work. Oh, they are tossed automatically? I want to know if there's any meta progression. Since everything is like luck on the... Why are they stuck on the trees? Are the enemy just stuck in the trees? Oh wait, I think we're supposed to go somewhere. I thought we're supposed to defend that area. Look at my bony dudes. Calcium boys. Recovery, that's health regen. Max health. You can keep running after the dash. Wait. Wait, there's something there. Emerald Pendant of Mana. 0.12 damage and 14 mana. You know what? Take it. So this game is like the Firebender. Firebender the game. By the way, the demo is not yet out, but I heard it's gonna be out soon-ish, maybe. So you can add it to your wish list. As always, the link is in the description. Oh, I didn't read. I misclick. Demo chance, 15% damage multiplier bombs. Throw the coin. It's gotcha. I get a damage multiplier. Double or nothing. We're gonna greedy. Okay. Just got negative upgrade. So basically we got nothing. I don't think the skeletons are attacking me. They're just going their own way, I guess. Pick up all gems. Does something different every time. Chaos. Pick up radius, movement speed, flame size. You know what? I like chaos. Give me chaos. I guess I got another weapon. Wait, we can burn the trees. I think I got like a meteor upgrade. Emit an explosion at the end of your dash. Ring of fire occasionally spawns. Ring of fire around you. Yes, please. Give me the ring of fire. You know what? We should learn to stop. I got negative luck. Just like in real life. I wanna know what that maybe it's a meteor attack? Oh, I see. We cannot shoot forever actually. We have a mana system. I did not notice the mana system. Attack speed. Of course we're gonna take that. Is there any negative for not taking it? Increase attack speed, emit explosion at the end of your dash, increase damage. More damage. More damage means we can save 1 mana. You know what, maybe we should get walk through fire, leave a trail of fire. Increase the number of projectiles. Number of projectiles plus 1. Does it work for the flamethrower? Maybe it doesn't work for the flamethrower. Of course we're gonna take that. Oh, it's another gumball. Bird, you move very slowly. Reward 20% dash speed. Survive 30 seconds to lift your burden. That's fine. Oh my god, we are really freaking slow. The archer is gonna freaking kill me. Immediate explosion upon death. Increase the size of projectile. Exploding enemies. We're almost out of mana. You know what? Let's just chill. So we got dash speed now. Is it like faster dash cooldown? Yeah, it's faster. It's faster dash cooldown. Increase your dash distance. No, give me more damage. You know what? Bone Archer needs to die. For 20 seconds gain mana regeneration. Okay, I got damage. Ooh, they can jump. So it's a new enemy. I'm gonna call them a jumper. You know what? Let's just get to this guy. More health, or you know what? We're gonna gamble. Great. This is why kids don't do gambling. Gambling is bad. We should really take out the archer first. I didn't know what to take. Was it more HP? Hopefully there's meta progression in the demo. Okay, 15% damage multiplier to corpse explosion. You know what? I don't care about corpse explosion. Double or nothing. Yeah, why not? Got double the corpse explosion. Which means we can save on mana. You know what? The ring of fire actually acts like a shield. Wait, why can't I dash? By the way, this game is very playable with just mouse and keyboard. Failure. Okay, let's see. Do we have any meta progression? Okay, that one is open. New path has been unlocked. Excuse me. I got 6 gold. Not in the demo. Mass of deflection, and what do you do? Oh, you have fireball shield. Shoot exploding fireball. Aspect of despair. Dispress. Increase damage. Yeah. Oh. So the different mass is the... Okay, so this one is the flamethrower with the dash. Okay, more attack speed. You know what? Let's try the fireball. Maybe they're better. But I kind of like the flamethrower. With a shield. Okay. Shield also drains our mana. I guess the... Okay, we're gonna save that mana potion for something. Question, can we shoot multiple fireballs? We don't have a dash. No, just one. Okay, we need to have like a clear line of sight. Is this a dog? We dropped something. Swiftness, chaos. Projectile scale. Fireball minus area. What is this? We're just gonna leave that for now. Any amount of damage instantly kills you. Reward uncertain. Fine. We just need to not take any freaking damage. You know what? It's still early, so we should be fine. We should be fine. It's just calcium boys anyway. I think we need like a better cursor color. Pick up all gem. Projectiles are target seeking. +4 projectile seeking radius. Okay, so we have aimbot now. We don't miss. It's not really homing. It's like to a certain angle, you're guaranteed to hit. As long as it's close. Heals you to full. Increase your health regeneration. Yes, why not? Plus 40% damage. That is freaking huge. Look at this skeleton. It's just spinning around. I think the enemies can't see you. Add ice to your projectile. Increase the number of projectile. I want to increase my number of projectile. Oh, so there's a chance my projectile can miss. You know what? Fireball is probably better. We have longer range, so we can probably deal with that archer a lot better. Transform your fireball into a piercing whirlwind orb. Slower projectile speed. Increase the size of projectile. You know what? Let's try this one. Okay, we have slower projectile. I think I kinda regret that one. It doesn't explode anymore. Okay, every XP gem deal damage to you. Reward level up. So let's just not take any XP. If we take XP, we're gonna die. Good thing we have shields. We're just gonna pick up the XP gems later. I really like the particle effects. Does something different. Projectile scale. There's a lot of negative here. Increase mana. More mana regen. It means we can probably hold our can I shield and shoot at the same time? Yes, we can. Oh yeah, it does give me an instant level up. I also have only one weapon. Your shield apply poison. Projectile speed. Fine. At least we have a faster projectile. Sometimes. Oh, I misclick. We need to change this one. Level up. Manual open. I accidentally click on things when we level up. Oh, here comes the archer. 10% damage. Projectile target seeking radius. Projectile scale. Oh, that's good. I like the upgrades. Where is this guy? The The Gamba guy. I don't see this guy. Oh, this one is different. Demons of Burdens. You move very slowly. Pickup radius is only 30 seconds, so it's probably fine. We have shields. You can just stay here. As long we are not getting hit by the goddamn arrows. Okay. We're getting hit by the goddamn arrows. We have shield. We have shield, so it's fine. Plus, we have a lot of mana regen. We can actually sustain shooting. Wait, is this a merchant? Movement speed. Yeah, give me more movement speed. Where is this merchant? I don't see it. I really do not see this merchant. Oh, it's over here? Oh my god, we're taking damage. Oh, it's you. Come get me. Comet. Yeah, let's get the comet. Oh, he's dropping XP. It's a loot goblin. It's a literal loot goblin. Ghost. Wait, is greed gone? Your shield apply poison. Add poison to comet. Yes, please. I think the loot goblin is gone. Oh, we have toxic meteor. Neurotoxin. Add ice or projectile. You know, why not? We can burn and freeze them. Oh, it's a chance to add. Chance to add cold. I really like the particle effects. I know there's so much XP on the floor. You know what? Fireball is my favorite. Flamethrower is nice, but Fireball is better. Because we can kill them from afar. Oh, I found a dude. 15% damage multiplier to Fireball. Damage multiplier to shields. You know what? That's fine. I don't care. No double or nothing. It didn't even ask me for double or nothing. The jumping enemies are the problem. Frost shield. Enemy explode on that. That way we can kill more of them. The jumping enemies are a problem. chilling cold. Make your projectile faster and colder. Yeah. Faster projectile speed. Oh! Is that a bear? We have a bear. We're out of mana. We are running low on mana. Chaos. Let me see. 10% projectile scale. It's all positive. It's all positive this time. You are unable to deal damage. Just give me 3 gold for 30 seconds. We can still use shields. It's fine. We are just gonna run around and collect resource. Increase the number of projectiles. Yes, please. So we can shoot like 3 fireballs now. After 30 seconds. Okay, that's the edge of the map. More projectiles. We're shooting 4 semi-homing projectiles. Can I kill the bear? Maybe. I did not see that enemy. Failure. Oh, another room is unlock. Let me see. Let me see what we have here. Book of Wisdom. Lock in the demo. What's the Book of Wisdom? The Book of Wisdom lets you spend money to permanently add heat to your upgrades. Upgrades with higher hit values are generally stronger. Okay. Projectiles. Wait, can't I choose? Okay, so you can't use a mouse here. Movement speed. That's not available in the demo. Oh, there's a lot of spells. Increase attack speed. Okay, we still have not found this one. There's lightning. I want to unlock. Wait, we can unlock lightning. We can unlock lightning for 10 gold. Each time an enemy receives burn, it may be shocked by lightning. What is this? Okay, that's upgrade. That's homing projectiles. This one, the more additional projectile. Okay, it's 1 plus 1 minus. It's 1 to 2, I guess. Is there anything we can upgrade? Collector. Wait, can we upgrade the collector? It's 5. I think 5 is the minimum coins. Yes, hydrate. Do we? Okay, that's locked in the demo. Can I use this thing? Okay, no. I guess we need to go for another run. We need to level up. We're gonna grab multiply as soon as possible. Okay, what do you have? 30% health or lower health. Okay, let's gamba. There we go. Double or nothing. Decline. We already got 30% health. That's good enough. There we go. We got multiply again. So it's 2 projectiles. So we shoot like 3 projectiles now. Oh my god, that's probably the best upgrade we can get. We can burn more things now. We just need to get the homing, the semi-homing upgrade. That way we won't miss. You move very slowly, more pickup radius for 30 seconds. That's fine. It's still early. They don't have anything strong anyway. We're just gonna burn them all. Ring of Fire. Do we have rerolls in this game? I don't think I want Poison Shield. Ring of Fire is fine. It can sometimes save you. Yes, I see you, Supreme Herald. Wait, where's this guy? Okay, we're literally gamba our money. Come on, give me money. There we go. Got 3 more coins. I need the homing projectiles. The semi-homing projectiles. It will make your projectiles slower, but it's homing. Oh, it's the loot goblin again. Increase the size of your ring of fire. Can I set this guy on fire already? Last time he... Okay, this loot goblin's gonna get away again. Increase attack speed. Increase health regen. We're gonna grab health regen. I think the loot goblin is gonna get away. I don't even see the guy anymore. He is just way too... Where are you? It's actually dropping coins. It's not even in the map anymore. Chaos that... No. Enemies explode on that. Come on. Die, loot goblin. Okay, I have no idea where he went. Increase the size of your projectiles. I don't think I want bigger projectiles. More movement speed. But let's just get more XP. pick up all gems. Each time an enemy receives burn damage, it may be struck by lightning. Yes. More lightning. Increase attack speed. That might be useful. Increase the size of a ring of fire. Shield apply poison. More damage. More damage. I wish I can change the color of the mouse. Sometimes I can't see the mouse cursor. I'm just blind. We're just gonna leave that for now. It's another loot goblin. Wait, let me level up. Is the projectile. Oh my god, I didn't see that guy. We're gonna take this. He's out of the map. He went outside the map. How am I supposed to follow that guy? It's already outside the map. The archers, they must die. Okay. Damage multiplier. I don't like this. Oh, there we go. Good. No. I don't like reducing the damage of my fireball. Oh, here comes the jumpers. %10 health. Or more mana? Increase the ring of fire. Fine, let's take the potion. God, that ring of fire is really huge now. Why am I taking damage? Unable to deal damage. Oh no. It gives me money. I want money. We have shields. Plus it's only 30 seconds. We can survive 30 seconds. As long as we avoid the jumpers. Increase mana regen. Increase the size of projectiles. Why won't you give me more projectiles and the homing projectiles? The jumpers are the problem. It's not giving me the homing projectiles. Your health is draining. Can I even transform your fireball into a piercing wing orb? We did try this last time. so they don't explode on contact anymore. It's like more damage over time. So it's basically a slow killing now. I didn't I didn't even see that guy. Did we unlock something? Did we unlock? Nope. What about the candles? Can we? Not in the demo. At least we can try unlock. What is this? We can try unlocking all of the spells. That's the collector. Let's unlock 2 spells. Aim? What do you mean aim? Increase critical hit chance. Okay. What about dust? What is dust? Everything become poison for a short while? Oh, that sounds pretty good. Do we have any new mass? No. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna try to unlock everything in the demo. So basically I want the increased projectile and the homing projectile. That's what we need. That way, there we go. That's the homing projectile. That way we don't we don't waste mana. It's a guaranteed hit. You know what? We don't even have 3 coins. Sir, double or nothing? Yes. You can only lose 1 coin anyway. Okay, we got nothing. Double or nothing, we got nothing. Need 1 more level. Ooh, it gives me the multiple projectiles. But it only gave me 2. Okay. Fireball damage or we get a weaker shield. I do not care about the shield. There we go. We got fireball damage. We need to get our pickup radius upgraded. I don't think we want the fire orb. I want the comet. Yeah, the fire orb is a damage over time. I think I want damage. Instant more luck. I have no idea what luck does. We got I think we got luck, right? That damage over time, I think it's not good. I want them dead right away, not dead later. I want them dead now. Oh, it's the freaking loot goblin again. But this time we are not gonna miss. We are not gonna get the fire orb. We're gonna get the health regen. Because there is no way to heal in this game. You can only use health regen. We need more damage. Increase mana regen, add ice to your projectiles. But the ice is not guaranteed. It's like sometimes there's ice, sometimes there's no ice. Okay. Oh, it's a healing item. Can I even follow you to... I don't think we can go that way. Yeah, that loot goblin is already gone. Unfortunately. We need more damage. Poison comet. Seeking radius. Chaos is kinda good. The downside is not that bad. Sometimes it's all positive. At least we know now there's a potion right here. Frost dust. Everything becomes poison for a short while. Oh. Is it like a permanent upgrade, or does it happen every now and then? Everything's gonna be poison. Frost shield. Make your projectile faster and colder. Yes. I would like faster projectiles. I don't know if poison is good. Maybe it's good. Hopefully it's good. Come get me, and then you're gonna run towards the void again, where I can't even get to you. He is gone. He's on the void. Can we even go here? No, he is way over there. And I can't even go. Okay, we're taking damage. We need to kill the archers. We are dying. Uh, 3% crit chance. That's so freaking low. Give me the chain lightning. Okay, we're gonna get out of here. That's the problem with the loot goblin. He goes off the map. You move very slowly. More area. It's fine. I don't need to move that fast anyway. Oh no, we're out of mana. You know what? I'm gonna put my back towards this rock. We're dying. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. Okay, we cannot unlock anything, but we can upgrade something. Let me upgrade. Not that one. I don't like the increased projectile. Okay, it's 10 now. Wildfire. Poison shield. Let's upgrade chaos. Because I like chaos. Okay, let's see what the upgraded chaos do. Okay, let's look for XP. I don't see any bony boys, calcium boys. Come on, give me a level up. Poison shield again. Not maybe we should get poison shield just to try it out. Unable to deal damage. It gives you money. What is this? We're just gonna leave that for now. Easy money. The calcium boys are not even interested in me. I think they just wander around. Okay, never mind. They're attacking now. I think I should also get like attack speed. Oh, it's just stronger. Okay, this one is all positive. I still didn't have the multiple projectiles. Your health is draining. I think it's fine. As long as we get the health regen later. Health drain is fine. I think that's a double level up. There we go. We have 1 HP. We have 0 HP. Are we even? We need the increased health, or else we might just die instantly. Make your projectiles faster. You know what? Faster projectiles are good. I want the more projectiles. You know what? Let's get the Ring of Fire. Oh, it's the loot goblin again. And then it's just gonna run off the map. Yes. We're gonna take the potion. Come get me. And then you're gonna run off the map again. Wait, can I even kill this guy? Size projectiles, bigger ring of fire. Hopefully we can kill this guy. Okay, I can't see them anymore. I'm gonna ignore everything else. I'm just gonna try to kill this loot goblin. He is gone. He is gone. He's off map. He's off map. Oh, there's a healing potion right here. I cannot kill the guy if it's not even in the freaking map. Attack speed. I think attack speed is good. We can shoot more. Means we get more damage. Archers, they need to die first. Oh my god, still no multiple projectiles or homing projectiles. What is this? Attack speed and movement speed. Maybe we can kill this guy. Your health is draining. Well, I am speed. Hopefully it doesn't drain that much. Corpse explosion. I think the corpse explosion is 100%. Okay, we gotta run. We're out of mana. Ooh, more damage. The archers are annoying, the jumper is annoying. Especially the jumpers, like sometimes I can't freaking see them. Okay, this is not a good run. Draining health again, I'm gonna die. I have 0 freaking health. If I take any freaking damage, I am dead. I mean any freaking damage from any source. This we got a free level up. Now you give me multiply. Yeah, it's not even the triple projectiles. It's just 2. And we don't have homing, so it's gonna be hard to aim. More projectile speed. I don't think I can get towards the loot goblin. Potion, healing, mana potion. I'll take it. Did I kill the guy? I think he got away again. Yes. Grab the healing potion. I think we're kind of slow. You know what? I don't care about luck. Yeah, why not? Double or nothing. We got nothing. Yeah, guys, you should learn when to stop. I mean, you should never start gambling. More projectiles. We're shooting like 5 projectiles now. They have big jumpers? Oh, the bear is here. What are you doing, bear? Do you have like a special move? We're out of mana. We're out of mana. Oh, we have homing now. That's gonna save us a lot of mana. Yes, but it's not yet live. They just announced that they're gonna have Warhammer. I'm hoping for a chainsword and a bolt gun. We're gonna get lightning. There's like 3 Warhammer games that are on free weekend right now. Wait, do I need to kill this guy? Is that the final boss? Space Marine 2? No, not yet. I have not played it yet. Oh, we finally killed that guy. Increase mana, that's good. I think we need more mana regen. Faster projectiles. Faster projectile sounds good. Let me get my regen. Can I kill you? Okay, he went off map again. That's the problem with the loot goblin. He always goes off the goddamn map. They're not dying anymore. Even the skeletons are tanky. It's gonna... Oh, there we go. 30% more health. think we need more. We need more mana regen. We're running low on mana. This skeleton is very tanky. I really love the particle effects. Is this the loot goblin again? No, it's not. Health draining or... Okay, fine. I have enough health. What are they doing there? Okay, free level up. Do we want the chaos? More projectile speed. Even faster projectile speed. Where are you going, skeletons? Chaos orb. Not fine. Oh my god, chaos orb is not good. I made it worse. I need a healing potion. You know what? We can unlock 2 more spells after this. Come on, give me health. Give me health. Yeah, this upgrade is not good. You're not... Oh my god, how many bears are gonna spawn? It's not even killing anything. But we do set them on fire. But they're not dying. That's the problem. They're on fire, but they're not dying. Okay, let's get the loot goblin. I don't think we can kill this guy. It's just gonna run away again. You know what? Let's get chaos. I don't know where the loot goblin went. Yeah, the fairy orb is really not good. Healing potion. Fine. Let's see if we can kill this guy. The answer is no. Because he went off the map again. Now we are stuck. Okay, let's unlock some new upgrades, I guess. We got 20. Give me something new. Pressure. Acupuncture. Okay, let's try mirror image. It's a unique spell. Summon a mirror image by your side that copies your move. Oh my god, that's very freaking strong. Overcharge. When using your shield, enemies are pushed around and touching enemies deals damage. No, that's kind of meh. You know what? Let's do one run with the flamethrower mass. And then one more run with the fireball. Yeah, the problem with this guy is the range. You need to get close. Oh, we got the loot goblin early. Dash distance, more damage. Burn, baby. Are you even taking damage? Increase flame size. Maybe that would help with the range. Okay, come on, just die. You can keep running after dash. You can get the bombs. The bombs were good. I see, so they have different upgrades. Okay, loot goblin is gone. You know what? Lightning strike. I should get the corpse explosion too. We need more range. We need more range. How do you even do seeking projectile? Is my flamethrower now homing? Okay. We're gonna lose our HP. Healing potion. I think we're gonna have problems with the archer. Especially with our weapon. We have 0 HP. Got 0 HP. More projectiles? How does that even work? Corpse explosion. Problem, the dash also use mana. We cannot just dash. No, that's fine. Yeah, we can double or nothing. We got nothing, of course. Well, it's just money. Oh my god. I didn't notice we have low health. We're going back to the fireball. Okay, let me see if I can upgrade something. I don't like the frost shield. I don't like the neurotoxin. What is this? That's for the projectile speed. Increased damage. Yeah, let's upgrade. Okay, so that's the maximum level. We cannot upgrade chaos. We have no money for that. That's for the ring of fire. Let's upgrade the damage. Brutality. It's still random 1 to 2. But there's a chance we can get a 2. Okay, this might be the last run. So we're gonna try to stay alive longer. I like the fireball more. Give me one more level. More mana regen. We are not gonna get fairy orb anymore. That was a waste of upgrade. I don't know if the pendant stacks. Does it replace the previous pendant? Yeah, Comet. Comet is really strong. There we go, we got upgraded fireball for free. It now deals more damage. Chaos is good. We're not gonna get the fairy orb. Lightning strike. Yeah, why not? I wish we can get the clone. Oh, that's overkill. The meteor is just very strong. Mirror image. Oh my god, we have double. Okay, if we can get the multiple projectiles. Wait, does the mirror image also die? Do I need to keep it alive? Or is it like on cooldown? Unable to deal damage but gives me money. You can still use the shield. Okay, I think my mirror image is dead. Wait, it only gave me money? We have our own shadow clone. And I think the best part, it actually aggroes enemy. Poison comet. Why not? Maybe poison is good. It actually aggroes enemy. Everything becomes poison. Okay, we deal 30 damage with the poison. It's the same with the fire. Maybe the poison... I don't even know how we can poison skeletons. No, we're not gonna get poison. More poison damage. We need the archer dead. Oh, it's the loot goblin again. Hopefully you don't run off the map again. It's already gone. It's freaking gone. Of course it escaped. It escaped off the map. Oh, we have another loot goblin. Wait, we can shoot the arrows? Oh, come on, give me something better. Oh, fine, give me poison shield. I don't know how this... Oh. You know what? Poison shield is actually kinda good. Take everything. Take the healing potion. Now we're out of mana. Attack speed. No, we're gonna save that potion. We're gonna save that when we need it. Okay, so the clone, it walks really slow. That's the only downside. gives you more money. Okay, we just need to avoid enemies for 30 seconds. I think our shield can still deal damage. I see the poison can spread. That's a difference. No, we are not gonna get fiery orb. We're just gonna get flat damage. And we're also gonna avoid that cold. The cold with the projectile speed. It's kinda meh. Minus movement speed, damage. Oh wait, do we get everything? That's fine. We get damage. Sometimes it's all positive. Oh no, my clone is dead. Wait, did I kill the big guy before? I don't remember killing the big guy before. More projectiles. More projectiles, more chance to hit. I think it's the corpse explosion. That really helps us. And we're dead. I didn't see them. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'm gonna end it right here. So if you want this game, the link is in the description. So like and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye, guys. GG.